There's a long two-lane road cut through the pines, faded white lines and a life I left behind. Got a duffel in the back and your name on my mind. Every mile feels heavier this time. I didn't want to go, but I didn't have a chance. Life pulled tight like a rope in my hands. Now I'm driving through the dark trying to understand how we slipped right through like sand. And I heard you found somebody new before the dust had even settled on my boots. Now I'm driving through the rain on county line, windshield crying like these eyes of mine. You moved on like I'm in nothing at all, while I've been stuck in this empty free fall. Got your laugh still echoing in my head, but it don't sound the same now that he's in your head. Yeah, you found your peace while I lost my way, and I'm just praying I can make it through today. Saw your truck out front when I passed your street. Different tires where my old ones used to be. And I swear I saw you laughing in the passenger seat with a stranger where I used to be. Guess forever didn't mean what we said. I've been sleeping with a ghost in my bed while you're wrapped up in somebody. And I've been counting nights alone while you were already calling somewhere home. Now I'm driving through the rain on county line, windshield crying like these eyes of mine. You moved on like I'm in nothing at all, while I've been stuck in this empty free fall. Got your voice still stuck inside my soul like a song I can't let go. Yeah, you heal fast, I'm still breaking apart, trying to outrun a shattered heart. Pulled off on the shoulder by mile marker 90, rain pouring down like heaven's trying to cry me. I looked up and said, God, I don't understand why you took her out of my hand. If I'm still breathing, I'll be okay. Now I'm standing in the rain on county line. Let it fall, let it blur all the signs. She moved on like I never was known, while I'm still learning how to give up us. But I'm still here, yeah, I'm still alive. Maybe someday I'll be alright, but tonight I just thank you for one more night. Ooh.